Success comes from relentless effort and unwavering self-belief. You have to be willing to do what others won't to achieve what others can't. Don't wait for opportunity to knock on your door. Go out and build your own door. There are no limits to what you can achieve if you have the right mindset and take massive action. Excuses are the nails that build the house of failure. Don't make excuses, make progress. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. Stay persistent and keep pushing forward. Don't let fear hold you back. Fear is just an illusion. Take risks, embrace failure, and learn from your mistakes. Success is a combination of talent, hard work, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Invest in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Choose your circle wisely. The difference between a dream and a goal is a plan. Set clear goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. You can become rich, you can become strong, you can take care of your loved ones and enjoy the fact it will be very difficult. Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. Close your eyes, focus on making yourself feel excited, powerful. Imagine yourself destroying goals with ease. Absolutely every single one of my actions is intentional. Divine purpose. If your day is full of mindless action, you act without thought. Find a person who is as successful as you'd like to be. Ask them what to do. Do it and work hard. The man who goes to the gym every single day, regardless of how he feels, will always beat the man who goes to the gym when he feels like going to the gym. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Goodbye.